What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the rust problem that I was having on my Nissan NV3500. Let's talk about this rust that I was having issues with. What you're going to see in the next couple of pictures is some rust that I found around my roof mounts from the factory this past winter while I was washing my car once. Long story short, I contacted Nissan and they had me drop my van off a week later, and they took it to the shop and repainted the roof. They gave me a loaner car that it wasn't an MV, but it had a third row, a full third row. It was the Armada, and I had that for a week, and then they called me and told me to come pick my car up. I didn't have to do anything else. They fixed it, and it looks great, as you could tell from the videos. No more rust. I know this video is shorter than usual, but it was to address a specific problem that I thought was pretty serious. So straight to the point. As usual, thank you for watching, and I hope it helped.